Hello students, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will be working on one of amazing AI project. In this, basically, in this project, we will be learning how AI models are able to understand like this photo is clicked or basically to classify an image. Because what we are doing, we are classifying an image on the basis of uh, when these photos has been clicked. For example, if the image is clicked in morning, in daytime, so a model will say that this image is clicked on in day in a day, and if the image is clicked at the night, so it will give me like the image is clicked at the night. Okay? So it will give us day and night on the basis of image and and you will able to understand how this classification will happen. Okay, so let's start with the project. This is small project but it's interesting. So whenever we are working with images, we have one library that we use, that is the OpenCV. Any kind of pre-processing that we wanted to do on images, we have the OpenCV. Then I wanted to import Gradio as VR because I want later on I will develop a web interface where I will upload my photos and uh, that will take my Python function as input and give me the outputs. Okay. Let's now make the function of Python day and night underscore classifier. Right. In this, because I'm taking image, so I'm writing the image here. Yes. Then I will take gray and I want to convert. I will be converting color of image to CV2 dot color underscore RGB to it to we wanted to gray. Okay, we wanted it to gray. Then now, then it will be- now I will calculate their brightness level. That is equal to gray dot mean. Okay, and then I will write if the brightness is greater than 100. I will return. I will return what I will return. That's the day. That's the it's the day. I'll I'll return null. Okay. Good. Now what we did, we have created a function. We are giving the function image, right? As a parameter, we are passing the image, and then we have used the OpenCV function that is used to convert the color of the image from its colorful image. It is firstly converted to gray image, right? Then we are calculating the brightness. For brightness, I have used the image mean. I take the mean of the image. Then, if the brightness is greater than 100, we will say if this photo is clicked on day and rest the photo is clicked on night. Okay. Let's now develop our web interface. For that, we will do gr.interface, right? And then we will pass function equals to day underscore night underscore classifier, right? Then input. What's our input? Input is our image. Okay. And input is our image. So we will write gr dot image. Then in this I will write type equals to numpy. Okay. Then I have the outputs. That is equals to what is our output? We are getting text as the output. Is telling me day or night. That is the text form. So we are getting text as an output. Then I will write title. That is equals to AI day, night, image classifier or image classifier. Then we will write the description. Okay. And then just write launch at the end of the this interface. When you create the interface, you have to write the launch here. Now you will see we will get a radio interface here. It may take some time. It depends on your internet speed and also your compiler. Okay. Now I get the option. You can firstly see the title here. The title is AI Day or Night Classifier. Then here is a small description what actually it does, right? Then here first here I have to upload the videos, basically image. Then you see the output is here. That means we get output in the textual form. Now I will upload the photo. Okay. So in downloads I have day and night. Firstly, I want to try for day. So I select day. It is processing. Yes, you can clearly see this is the image of day. Now we want to see if the model is able to understand or not. I just select the submit button and now see the result. It is processing it. It's a day. Okay, let's take the another image. Now let's try for the night. Okay, you can see this is the night image, but there is lighting also present here. Okay, just to make my model confused, I have taken this image. Let's see the model is able to predict this image right or wrong. Okay, okay, so then I will submit it now. See here, it's showing the night. That we are getting the correct answer. So complete model is that. Firstly, it is a classifying model kind of. We are classifying it into day and night. Okay. And first step, what we did, we take the input as an image. Then, using the OpenCV library, we convert that colored image to black to gray. So we have convert the colored image to gray, and then I take the mean of this image as my brightness. If that brightness is greater than 100, then I will say return the otherwise return the night. And here, then we make a very simple interface that is taking this as a function. Okay. So I want you to try it. And if you face any issue while you are trying, just comment it down and stay tuned for more videos.